Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it is February 17th, 2025, President's Day. I really don't want to snowblow today. It is, well, it's minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit wind chill. It's 17 right now, temperature-wise. But we have very high winds. We got branches down all over the place. I just got done picking some up. Oh boy, just stalled it trying to get the PTO to take off. That's not good. Let's take a look.
Another storm's rolling in, it's hitting us hard. Winds howling through the trees, snow stacking in the yard. Whiteout swirling, can't see the road. But we've been here before, we know how it goes. Fire up, Optimus, let that engine roar. Cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow. But here in snow country, we already know. The plow lines vanish, buried in white. Feels like the storm's gonna rage all night. But we don't stop, no, we don't quit. We clear the way, we handle it. Fire up, Optimus, let that engine roar. Cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow. But here in snow country, we already know. The cold might bite, the wind might sting, but out here, we handle anything. Grit and steel, heart and hand, standing strong in this frozen land. Fire up, Optimus, let that engine roar. Cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow. But here in snow country, we already know. Storm after storm, we dig on through. Whatever it takes, we'll see it through. High winds, deep snow, let it all come down. We're built for this, we hold our ground.
Just yesterday, I was just a kid, running wild, laughing like I never did. Climbing trees, chasing dreams, thought I had forever, or so it seemed. Now the mirror shows a different face, a little more warm, a little less grace. Time moves fast, like a river it flows. Where it all went, Lord only knows. So I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade. take my chances or just forget. So I won't waste a single breath. No holding back, no second guess. Gonna dance in the rain, sing in the storm, hold my loved ones a little more warm. So I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade away, love a little harder, laugh a little more, walk through every open door. 'Cause yesterday's gone, tomorrow's unknown, but right here, right now, I'm in the zone. One day I'll sit in a chair by the fire, look back at my life, never tired, knowing I lived, knowing I tried, no regrets when I close my eyes. Oh, 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 oh. Sit down, son, let me tell you a tale about this winding road, sometimes rough as nails. The world's gonna test you, knock you down hard, but you've got the strength, you've got the heart. Every choice you make, every path you take, it won't be easy, but it's yours to shape. Life is what you make it, so make it strong. Stand up tall, even when it feels wrong. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. I've seen hard times, I've walked through the rain, worked these hands till they knew the pain. But the sweat, the struggle, the lessons learned, built a fire inside that always burned. Every fall you take, every tear you cry, makes you stronger, boy, just keep your eyes high. Life is what you make it, so make it true. Give it your all, let the best in you shine through. Every dream you chase, every risk you take, it's in your hands, son, don't hesitate. One day you'll stand where I am now, looking back, wondering how. But you'll know deep down through the highs and lows, it was all worth it, every road. Life is what you make it, so make it count. Climb those mountains, rise above the doubt. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. So go on, son, go chase the sun. The fight ain't easy, but it's worth what you've won. Life is what you make it, so make it yours. Walk with courage, walk through those doors. I'm not here to say I've got it all right. I'm just sharing my days, my wrongs, my rights. Out here on the land where the sky's so free. You do you, and I'll do me. I'm no expert, just finding my way, learning something new every single day. What works for me might not work for thee. So you do you, and I'll do me. We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours, and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I've found to be. You do you, and I'll do me. I'll share my stories, my ups and downs, the hard-earned lessons, the joys I've found. But take what fits, leave the rest be. 'Cause you do you, and I'll do me. This life's a journey, no one's the same. No need for judgment, no need for blame. We're all just trying, imperfect and free. So you do you, and I'll do me. We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours, and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I've found to be. You do you, and I'll do me. Maybe you've got a better way, and that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. I'm just here to lend my voice, but in the end, it's your own choice. We're all different, can't you see? Your path's yours, and mine's for me. I'm just showing what I've found to be. You do you, and I'll do me. So here's to the journey, for you and for me, finding our way as it's meant to be. No need to follow, no need to agree. Just you do you, and I'll do me.